Hi there, it's John Tattersall from johntattersall.com and welcome to my Total Traffic Review. Now this is a product launch from Dawud and Roberto Serpac with a launch date of the 10th of February at 9 AM EST. Now this is a system of traffic generation strategies used by top ranking marketeers that will get you up and running very quickly by getting the best untapped and targeted free traffic. Now I'm going to take you through Total Traffic and I'm going to share with you my honest view as to whether this is something that you should invest in or not. I will give you my opinion of the pros and cons and also tell you about the upsells. And I've also put together some strong bonuses that represent tremendous value in monetary terms, and they're specifically designed to help you make the most of Total Traffic. All of my bonuses are available only if you click below through my link. Now Total Traffic goes into great detail in showing you how to master the holy grail of building up your list through organic traffic. This is a well-structured training course with many golden nuggets that are not found elsewhere, and they're often missed in other similar courses, with step-by-step over-the-shoulder videos where Dawud and Roberto explain exactly how to get your head around email marketing and, more importantly, list building. Now I will quickly whiz through to the bonus page and then I'll take you through to the sales page and then inside the members area. So here we are now on the bonus page that I put together. So the first thing I just want to bring to your attention is to make sure that you click on this and make your decision about purchasing if you decide to buy it from my page before 11:59 PM EST on Saturday the February the 13th. And the reason for that is that those bonuses will be taken down by then. So just moving down, so what is Total Traffic all about? So you'll learn 15 separate free traffic generation methods that work in any niche, and you'll be able to drive totally free traffic to any link or URL whenever you need it. There are then some upsells. So the front end, as you know, is Total Traffic, and that's priced at $12.95. This gives you access to all of the powerful Total Traffic software and also the training modules. Upsell number one is the bonus giveaway rights. So this gives you product and all the previous products away as bonuses, so you can massively increase your affiliate sales conversions and help build your list. So normally when you do a review, you offer bonuses. This gives you the opportunity to be able to utilize Dawud's products as your bonuses to give away to people and help build your list. Upsell number two is Total Traffic Fix at $97 or $47 for the downsell. This is where you can get 6 super solo ads to all the members at 25 of Dawud's membership sites in the Making Money Online niche. This gives you the opportunity also to place your banner permanently on these 25 sites, plus you get free VIP upgrades as well. So that's a really useful upsell. Number three is reseller rights. So you get reseller rights to Total Traffic, so you can sell it as if it were your own product and keep the commission across the entire funnel. Upsell number four is you get 3 done-for-you campaigns each and every week, and it also includes the done-for-you bonus pages with review video, product demo, and also 10 custom bonuses delivered for you, so the whole package. Now the only caveat on that is that you will need Commission Gorilla for that, and there is a price to pay for Commission Gorilla, but there will be a link to that in the members area if you decide to buy that upsell. And then upsell number 5 is you can get the opportunity to launch a product with Dawud. Now this is limited to 5 people only, but you can launch a product with him, either your own product idea, or you can work with him to come up one with him for you. And all of his recent launches have achieved at least 300 sales, with some of them getting more than 500 sales. And he's also won deal of the day. So it gives you the opportunity to team up with a master marketeer who will help kickstart your own career as a marketer. But remember, it's strictly limited to 5 people. So some key benefits you might think about: free traffic to any link, 15 free traffic methods, you'll never struggle to, or you'll be pushed to get traffic again. You don't really need any technical skills. It works in any niche, and full video training is provided as well. There's a video there, a demo video. I've already gone through the demo, or I will be going through the demo anyway, but you can watch it there if you need to. All you need to do is click on one of these yellow buttons here and that'll take you through to the sales page. So in terms of the bonuses I put together to complement this, the first one is tailored headlines for total traffic success. Having the right sort of headlines for your emails and making sure that you don't fall foul of the spamming rules is quite important, and you've got to use the right headline to get people to actually click open your email in the first place. So this is a tailored approach to be able to do that. So that's bonus number one. Bonus number two is, at some point you might think about whether you want to get involved in gaining higher commissions, often through webinars and higher priced courses that are run by some of the more experienced marketeers, and the commissions on those are a lot higher than if you're doing product launches or launch checking. So this tutorial here gives you the opportunity to learn how to be able to tap into that, and also gives you some high ticket courses that you can get affiliate links for. And then the third bonus is how you can improve your conversion funnels with total traffic. So it gives you the opportunity that once you get traffic coming in, how you can then make sure that you then start to get the good quality stuff coming out of the other end, and how you can keep momentum to build up your funnels. So you've always got a pipeline of strong potential buyers coming in at the top end. And then my final bonus number 4, is how you can use total traffic to then move on to using click per action and using paid traffic as a source of being able to grow your business even further. And then you've got the bonus tutorials here for the vendor bonuses, which I'll go through when you go to the members area. So all you need to do is click on that button, and remember there's a timer here telling you how long you've got before the bonuses are taken down. Now, to access your bonuses, when you purchase this, you will go to Warrior Plus to access your purchase. You'll also notice that there's a blue button down here. If you click on that blue button there, then that will give you the bonuses that I've just gone through. It gives you automatic access to them. Right, also here we are on the members, in the members area for total traffic. Layout, as often with these type of information and training products, is that you've got the menu bar on the left hand side with all the various modules and the welcome messages and any further information, and on the right hand side you've got a welcome video. Top one is from Dawud himself. You then got some options to register for free training or the Elite Tigers group on the YouTube channel, and then you've got Roberto further down with his introduction as well. So both producers of the program are giving welcome messages on this first page. Then there is an overview. So if I just click on this button here, this gives you an overview of total traffic. So again, from Dawud, gives you an overview of what all the training is about. And then you've got the main training section, which consists of 15 various modules. And then you've got some further training suggestions, and then you've got resources, conclusion, bonuses, upgrade section, and then there is a special bonus, an unadvertised bonus down on the bottom there. Now, what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to take you through all 15 of these modules, because I would be giving you access to exactly what's contained in the course. So I'm only going to take you through the first 5 to give you a flavour for how the training is being put together and the various traffic methodologies that are explained here. So we take method number 1, which I'll just click on here. So this is a training video from Dawud where he goes through mailers. And mailers are websites that you can potentially join, previously known historically, I believe, as safe lists. But you join the website, and then the members on the website support and help each other out so that you get various levels of traffic from the group itself that's on the website. Now, a word of warning here, which is that this could potentially generate a lot of mail. So one of the things you might want to think about, and Dawud actually mentions it in the training video, is it might be worthwhile setting up a separate email address from your primary email address. So maybe set up an additional Gmail account if you can, and then have the mailing from the mailer's website sent to that specific email address. That way you can control the volume of email that you're getting without clogging up your primary email address. So moving on to module 2, this module here, this is a module that talks about classified ad boards. Now, this enables you to place free adverts, and it's probably an underutilized resource, but it enables you to place free adverts, and those free adverts can then generate thousands of various emails. Module number 3 is another website called medium.com, and this is where you can post things onto Medium. And really, you need to get into a habit, as Dawud explains in the training, of posting regular updates on there with your links so that you can then generate free traffic from Medium. Method number 4, which is the traffic exchanges. Now, in email marketing terms, different things come and go in terms of popularity and flavour of the month, and different softwares that are designed to help you build up your list. And Dawud explains in the training that there are older methods that have fallen out of grace or favour that still work. And what he's saying is that traffic exchanges has been around a while, probably from around about 2011 onwards, and then it's sort of like slided away as other methodologies have taken over, but it still works. And the whole principle about driving traffic and building your email list is finding different strategies and different methodologies to cast your net far and wide, with the idea being you get as many email addresses as you can into the funnel, and then as they sift through the funnel and come out at the bottom end, the people that come out of the bottom end, or the emails that come out of the bottom of the end, bottom of the funnel nozzle, if you will, those emails should be good quality leads of people who are regular buyers that you could potentially then grow your business with. So method 4 is all about traffic exchanges, and the final one I'll just touch on briefly is method 5, which again is another website which is called mix.com, and this is where you can actually post your links for any offer that you're promoting and put it on to Mix and to generate you email leads and people who might be interested in your products. So I'm not going to go through the rest, as I said, because I don't want to give away all 15 of what Dawud's put together here. So if you decide to purchase this, then obviously you'll be able to access those, and I can just guarantee you that they're all solid methods of generating traffic and building your list. So here we are now on the sales page for total traffic. I want to give you a quick run through on this page. Not going to go into too much detail with it because you're capable of reading it yourself, but I just want to pick out some main points. First one is there's a welcome and an explanatory video from Dawud here on the left hand side. Then you've got a number of key points down here. So this is all about getting free traffic to any link that you can provide. There are 15 methodologies within the training. The idea is that you'll master enough traffic sources to never have to struggle ever again to get traffic. It's newbie friendly, so you don't really need any tech skills. It can be used in any niche at all. It's a full suite of video training, and there's more content within the program itself. Obviously the yellow button there, so if you want to access it you can click on the yellow button. So this is a joint product from Dawud and Roberto. Roberto is actually a student of Dawud as part of Dawud's coaching program. So they've joined together in order to pull this together and combine forces. There is another overview of what's contained in the training area. Some proof of income evidence. This is, I'm assuming, is Dawud's income over the last 30 days, $25,000, just over $25,000. And then that's a repeat, I think, of the headlines earlier. And then here we are in the bonus area for the vendors' bonuses. So bonus number 1 is 7-figure super affiliate training. This is a live training with a recognized 7-figure super affiliate. Bonus number 2 is a private Facebook group, which is actually quite valuable because often that is where a lot of the learning takes place, within the private Facebook groups, where people share information and you can pick up tips, tricks, and really climb on the shoulders of people that have gone before you. And then there's a massive product bundle here of over 50 products and upsells from 18 of the top marketers. So that in itself is worth the asking price of just the front end on this. Bonus number 4 is 20 times reseller rights. So this is reselling rights to 20 of Dawud's previous products. So you can make money from these in their own rights. And again, a tremendous amount of value locked in there. And then finally, a dedicated customer support 24/7 from the top team. There is also a 30-day money back guarantee. And it's just really about whether you're prepared to make a decision based on either this review or other reviews that you've seen. But for the front end price, this represents tremendous value for money. So this brings me to the end of my review for Total Traffic. Now, I did say that I would summarise the pros and the cons. On the plus side, the course is well structured, comprehensive, and on the whole, it's delivered well. Without doubt, Dawud is very knowledgeable about driving traffic. For the front end price of $12.95, you're getting a lot of value for your money, even if you just pick up this front end. There really isn't a downside if your objective is to generate traffic and build your list. Some of the methods may be a little old hat, but as Dawud points out, some of the older methods still produce good results. If you're relatively new to online marketing, then one of the biggest challenges you face is to build your list. Not just in terms of numbers of people on it, but fill with good quality people, i.e. buyers. If you want to accelerate the list building process, then Total Traffic will help you with that. Driving traffic and building a list, particularly organic traffic, takes time and patience. Everything you need to know is in here. You just need to learn and master the concepts and apply them. All of the upsells and the reseller rights to Dawud's previous products are also worth picking up for the price as well. So there we have it. I hope that this review of Total Traffic has been of some use to you and that in some way it will help you make an informed decision on whether to pick this up via my link below. Please do not forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button if you want to see my future reviews. Hitting the bell will also notify you when I release the next one. All it leaves me to say is to thank you for watching, and I wish you every success in your online journey. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.